Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to download original Chatgpt. So first, go to your Chatgpt, open it. Then, you may log in or sign up, but for me, I'll click for log in. And then, you can now type your email or continue with Google or continue with Microsoft account. So now choose an account. Then, click next. Then, click done. Now, go to right corner, click the three dots, and click more tools. And then, select create shortcut. Then, at the top, type ChatGPT and select create. Then, let's proceed to the home page. Back again. And that's it. You have now a ChatGPT download. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.